Hi, my name is Krishna. Today we're going to be drawing a cute Halloween ghost, and it's going to be wearing a pumpkin hat. Let's begin. So first, I'm going to make the pumpkin hat. So we're going to make 1, 2, and 3 bumps with your pencil. Then, we're going to be making a little curve shape over here. We're doing this with a pencil, so if you make any mistakes, you can erase away. Now we're going to be making the pumpkin stem. We make one line here, another line here, and connect those 2 lines. Next, we're going to make the ghost's face. We're going to make one curved line here, and another curved line here. And then connect it with this squiggly line. Next, we're going to make the ghost's hands. The ghost is going to be shouting boo at us, like it's pretending to scare us. Make one circle there and one circle there for the ghost's hands. Next, we're going to be making the ghost's eyes. The ghost is going to be happy, so we're going to make one closed eye. It kind of looks like a triangle, but curved at the end. And another closed eye. To make the closed eye, you make one curved line there and another over there. Now we're going to be making the ghost's face, our mouth. So we make another curved line here and another curved line here. And then it's going to be shouting. We make a U shape and then make the tongue. Now it looks so cute. But now we need to add some blush. So we're going to make one curved line, or one circle over here, or an oval. Make sure it's small, and another oval there. And that's our ghost. Now, we're going to be making some little background features. So we're going to be making some candy corn here. Candy corns, I don't really like candy corn. But it's nice to add whenever you're making Halloween drawings. And it looks nice and colorful. So how to make candy corn, you need to make a curved triangle and then 3 lines inside of that triangle. And if you want to make a bat, then you make a curved line and then a U shape there, and then make a little oval and then some wings. That's your bat. Our ghost looks really cute. I don't like scary ghosts. They make me scared. I wonder what type of treats you guys get at Halloween. I'm gonna be making 3 bats to make it look cool. Now we're gonna be writing the letter boo over here. It's like the ghost is screaming at us. We're going to be writing it here or here. You can do it at the top of your paper or the bottom of our paper. I'm going to be doing it at the bottom. So we're going to be making those big bubble letters? We're going to be making one of those. We're not making a normal B. We're making a wider B, okay? So we're making one straight line here and then a curve here. But don't finish that curve, leave a little gap there. And then another curve. Then we're making one straight line there and a U shape, and do the same thing on that side. And then make one circle here, that's the O. Make a tinier circle inside. And then do the same thing again. And now it says boo. But let's make it look like she's shouting at us. So in a good way. So we're going to be making a triangle, an upside down triangle, and then a little circle. So it looks like an exclamation point. I'm going to be fast forwarding this part, so I'm going to be using a black marker to outline my whole drawing. You can do this too, and if you want, you could pause the video at the end. Let's begin. Okay, here's the outline finish, and now we're gonna be coloring our ghost in. I'm gonna go slow at first, but then I'm gonna speed up this part, okay? So make sure you're aware of that. So I'm gonna get my orange marker and I'm gonna make 2 little lines here. 1 and 2. You know those little bumps on a pumpkin? We're gonna try to make that. And then we're gonna make a little shadow here. So get your gray marker and make a tiny little circle over there. So it looks like it's a shadow. And then over here, we're gonna be making a shadow here too. So we get out our orange marker, or orange highlighter. I usually use highlighters to make the drawing pop a bit more. So we're gonna make 1 line here, another line here, another line here. Make sure you don't highlight the whole B. And then we're gonna do the same exact thing, but with the yellow marker on the O. So we're gonna be doing that, and that, then that. And then last of all, we do the same thing to the exclamation point. And again, don't make the whole thing like that. What I usually like to do, I like to get a green highlighter, and I like to outline the whole ghost with green. So let's try that out. I'm gonna fast forward this part, okay? Okay, I usually do that because you know how some ghosts are glow in the dark? Whenever you do this, it kind of looks like it's glow in the dark. Now we're gonna add some shading over here. So we're gonna get our gray marker and we're gonna shade this side, and this side. You need to do the opposite side of the ghost. Like we did over here. Don't make the whole thing with gray. So like I did one side of the hand and another side of the hand. Kind of like that. And now I'm gonna be fast forwarding this part. So again, if you want to pause the video at the end and see what it looks like, you can do that too. I hope you really like this ghost drawing. And since it's a Halloween drawing, you can display it all around your house, so you can make it look pretty for Halloween. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you come back soon to our channel. Bye!